Second cast for the morning. We got onto a flathead. Using the bait junkie. Probably mid 40s, 48 perhaps. So we're using the bait junkie in the pink shine colour. It's our 4-inch. Yeah, regular style tail. It's not a bad flatty. I'm guessing around that 45-ish, 48. 28. Put her in the live well. 8-pound line. Savage braid and just some Vanish leader. So 2500 reel. And that's a 1.5 to 3 kilo stick. So we'll keep popping around here. Oh, that was landing on its head, that one. Must have just popped up right on top of its head. About the same size. He had a big clump of weed on it, so I thought it was bigger. He ran into weed. Or he was in a weed patch. I grabbed him. Right. Once again, it has taken it perfectly in the corner of the mouth. See there? Let's look. So basically, can't pop straight out here. There you go. It's that pink shine doing it again. That little tail action is enough to get him sorted, I think. Little quick measure, but I'm pretty sure it's around that 46-ish, 47. Where's my zero there? Hang on. Oh, I can almost put this across the boat. Yeah, look at that. That's good. Yeah, right on 46. There you go. Another good flatty. There we go. Straight. The wind's back up. Yes, opportunity. Let's put a bit of S factor on it, what's left of it. So I've cut the packet in half and put the lure into it. Get a bit more on there. Use what you can. Reposition. Really finding it hard to get some space without the wind howling and turning the boat. Not big, but the take was more barra. That's cool how they do that. Ah, it's a tailor. Damn it. But legal. Easily legal. I just couldn't work out why that was a flathead doing that, but it looked brown in the murky water. That was very lucky I didn't lose my lure. That was interesting. I thought it was like a barrabuff. That. He's hungry. Easily 30. Far out. Supplier job, that one. Something different. That's why I like the bait junkies. They don't get destroyed on one hit with the tailors. Just measuring just in case. Yeah, 32er.